In a world moving towards clean, resilient energy, one innovation stands at the heart of India's storage revolution. Introducing Semco Infratech's automatic BESS assembly line. Designed to build the next generation of high-performance, containerized battery energy storage systems. From cell to pack to container, every step is engineered for precision. Automated alignment, intelligent torque control, real-time data validation, zero room for error. Our line ensures consistent rack assembly, tight interconnects, and seamless BMS integration, unlocking higher reliability and longer system life. Once modules become packs, our automated loading system takes over, positioning, lifting, and securing each unit with zero manual intervention. And before a container ships, Semco's BESS container testing system validates every cluster, every rack, every connection, ensuring your container is grid ready on day one. This is the future of energy storage manufacturing. Want to know more about our automatic BESS assembly line? Connect with Semco Infratech today.